Once upon a time, in a magical forest, lived a tiny, brave little bird named Plo Koon. Plo Koon was not like other birds. He had bright blue feathers and a beaming smile. Every morning, Plo Koon would fly high above the forest to greet the sun. He loved the warmth of the sunshine on his feathers. One day, something unusual happened. Plo Koon found a shiny, golden feather on the ground. He picked it up and felt a strange energy pulsing from it. Plo Koon felt a sudden urge to use it. He flew to the top of the tallest tree and held the golden feather high. Suddenly, he could fly faster than he ever had before. Plo Koon flapped his wings and soared through the sky, leaving a trail of sparkles behind him. He saw the world from a bird's-eye view, and it was beautiful. He saw rivers, mountains, and even the ocean. But as the sun began to set, Plo Koon felt a strange tiredness. He noticed the golden feather in his beak was glowing less bright. He decided it was time to return home. Plo Koon flew back to the forest, but he found it dark and scary. He couldn't find his way back to his home. He felt scared and lost. But Plo Koon remembered something his mother once told him: always look for the brightest light in the darkest night. He looked up and saw a twinkling star. He followed it and soon found his way back home. He was tired but happy. He learned that the golden feather was magical, but it also made him lose his way. From that day, Plo Koon decided to always be true to his own feathers and not let anything distract him. Every night, when Plo Koon would go to sleep, he would dream of his adventure and remember the importance of being true to himself. And so, Plo Koon lived happily in his magical forest, always flying high with his bright blue feathers and beaming smile. The end.